Today I'm going to plant all 20 hydrangea stem cuttings that I propagated 6 months ago. I propagated these hydrangeas from stem cuttings and planted them in pots. Let's check to see if the roots have taken hold. There's resistance if I tug it. There are even flowers on some of these stem cuttings. Ideally, I'd like to leave these hydrangea cuttings in pots longer, but it's fall right now and the weather is just going to get colder. I'm afraid these stem cuttings will die if I leave them out in containers over winter. I have no choice but to plant these stem cuttings in the ground. If you want to see how I propagated these hydrangeas, check out my video on how to propagate hydrangeas. Let's take out these hydrangea stem cuttings from the pot. I like to soak the soil up first. It's easier to get the hydrangea stem cuttings out with soft soil. Everything kind of gets all muddy, but see how easy it is to get the stem cuttings out? Here you'll see these stem cuttings definitely have developed roots. I'm going to plant them all along the stone wall in my garden. It's easy to transplant these hydrangea stem cuttings. First, I dig up the soil, and then I plant the stem cuttings. Always water newly planted stem cuttings. Watering is key to success. You don't want the new plants to dry up. It's good that I'm planting these stem cuttings in the fall, so the weather is cooler. I like to mulch around these newly planted stem cuttings. The mulch helps with moisture retention. I usually sprinkle a little fertilizer on my newly planted stem cuttings. It provides the soil with essential nutrients. I'll be giving another update on how these stem cuttings are doing next spring. I hope you found this video useful. I'd appreciate it if you give it a like. And please subscribe for more gardening videos like this. Thanks for watching!